I'm Neil McEvoy, the Plaid Cymru candidate for Cardiff West. I've been in court again today. This time it's been family court, and we've had another good result. I think the system is getting better, and it's a lot much better than it used to be. I'm not going to post this on the particular day that I'm actually in town, because I don't want any chance of the families being identified. I think what is clear to me today from being there again is that we do need a change in the law, and we should have a law for shared parenting, which is on my personal agenda if I become an assembly member, because mum, dad, both sets of grandparents should be seeing the children. The children have a right to that when couples separate, and the world would be a much better place if we had a very simple reform of that law and only excluded parents or grandparents where there was a good reason to. So that's what I'm fighting for. But a good result today, happy, and progress. Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much.